traders, so this is my practice account. I'm waiting on my funded account to roll over, but however, I wanted to get on here and show you guys something. So this is the 5-minute time frame. I'm trading US 30. So I just scalped this whole thing right here, in and out, okay, to this level here. I knew that it was going to reach up there. So now what I'm doing now is going for sales on this right here. So why did I go for buys, and now why am I going for sales? I went for buys because overall, when I came to the computer, my phone, I noticed that my big MAs, and if you follow me, there's a chart setup videos that tells you exactly what these MAs are. But anywho, they were underpriced, and so were my parabolic SARs. They were underpriced, so I knew that I was going for buys, and I was above this rejection level, and I knew that I was going somewhere up here to this rejection level. This is actually where it went. So when it went there, I ate off of my buys, and then I waited a little bit for it to hit the level that I knew that it was going to end upon, right? Based on my trend line that I set and my top rejection level. So once price came down, price shot down, and it went into my parabolic SARs, kicking them up here. So then price pulled back, and that's where you see the rejection wick on this candle, the bigger one right there, and then it proceeded to push down. Now typically, once I get into profit, which I got in there, I'll take my profit and I'll wait for price to shoot back like it did right there, okay, on that wick, and I will get in again and end right here. I'm a scalper, guys. This is how I trade. Before you know it, I got like freaking 10 trades in the system off of just one good move. In this case, 2 good moves, right? Up and then down. We're still holding this trade. This down here is my confluence as well. This is like a 200 moving average, and I got my colorful MAs peeling across it. If you follow my page or come see me one-on-one for a mentorship, you'll see exactly why and how this stuff helps and how it works. All right, so 1 minute time frame again. We're following our merged parabolic SARs. We're on a down. Right now, we were on the up above our purple line here, which is the 50 moving average. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop off and take my profit, and hope that you guys come back and trade with me soon. One love, much love, 2 out. Before I go, actually, let me show you this. Guys, if you have not put the timer on your mobile phone, please do so. I have a video on which clock I have, which has the timer on it, but it's very beneficial, especially to scalpers. So we got a new 5-minute time frame candle, okay, new candle that just formed. Overall, I'm looking for that candle to hit my TP right there, okay. Again, this is just a practice account, but I do the same thing on my real accounts too. So I'm showing you there. That's what a profit is. All right, this is what we've done thus far this morning. I told you guys about the up move, basically just taking it from here to here, just kept scalping trades. All right, and I knew that this was going to be my end point up here. So what is this, like a double top? And so price pushed down again, and then it pulled back, and when it pulled back, I hopped in again here, and then I hopped in here. All right, and now we're gonna hit our TP whenever we hit it, but I just wanted to show you guys that we are in profit. You can do very well with this strategy. This is a TuPar 3.0 strategy with the 2 reject concept, meaning that we trade level to level. So once we identify that we are within a certain level, we'll look then to implement the TuPar 3.0 strategy, which is telling us that if we have big MAs, parabolic SARs underneath price, we should be going for buys, okay? And then this is just a transition point up here. I know we hit a double top, came down, pressed into our parabolic SARs, and then new ones formed. I knew there was going to be a kickback on price, and then to proceed down to that rejection level. So that is what you see right there. Okay, and we'll let price go ahead and close itself out. Hopefully it does it very soon. If not, I will go ahead and end this live. I think I got my point across. I'm sorry for tricking you, but I had to show you this. A lot of people like to see the video all the way through with the profits. So there's a little wick right here. Price is playing off of that, and it probably won't drop all the way down until that 5-minute increment. So what we're gonna do, let's go ahead and end this live. You guys get the point. One love, much love. Before I end this, I just want to say, if you're looking for a prop firm, guys, go ahead and go to Alpha Capital Group. Everything's in the description. You'll get a 20.5% discount, but they have great spreads, as you can see, and minimum, and I do mean minimal slippage. So if you're looking for a prop firm, guys, that's who you want to go with. The best trading conditions at this time. So get on over there. It's automated from phase 1 to phase 2. So it ain't no waiting 24 hours to receive your login credentials for phase 2. No, you'll get them immediately after you pass phase 1 to phase 2. Me personally, I've been funded a few times with them, so I didn't have to redo my verification and my payout method that was already on the back end of the system. Now I'm just waiting on my contract, which they will send out 3 to 5 days, business days actually. So I'll get that sometime this week for that account. But yeah, Alpha Capital Group is amazing. Look at my description and you'll be happy. They have a free trial that you can test them on. Don't believe my word. Go ahead and get tested. See if you like them. And then, hey, get into the real deal. All right, I'm out this time for real. One love, much love, 2 out.